To help fund the 2014-2015 budget, $2.3 billion will come from a levy on withdrawals from deposit-taking institutions.
We take pride on this side that we are an administration that listens.
And so the government rolled back the tax on withdrawals and replaced it with two taxes less burdensome to the average person. The first was a 15% withholding tax on all insurance premiums paid by Jamaican citizens and businesses to foreign companies. But local insurance companies will not have to pay. This move will serve a dual purpose, as tax compliance is expected to increase.
A common tax avoidance scheme is to create a captive insurance company in an offshore jurisdiction. The captive charges the local operating company an insurance premium, which is treated as an expense and is totally deductible from the Jamaican corporation income tax.
The second measure to replace the levy on withdrawals was a general consumption tax GCT on imported services like the hiring of a management company from overseas. The premium tax for life insurance companies and the investment tax for insurance companies have also been withdrawn. Instead, life insurance companies will pay an asset tax of 1% rather than the 0.25% that was previously announced.
This measure is intended to be temporary and will last for 1 year. The potential revenue intake will be approximately $900 million, approximately the same as was intended from the previous measure.
In the meantime, the increase in the special consumption tax SCT on alcohol for the tourism industry will be delayed by a month, pushing it back to about June 22 so that the industry can discuss its implementation. Regarding the 10% reduction in customs duty for petrol and diesel vehicles, pickups are to be included in the mix. Government is not focusing solely on taxation. Through a creative mix of measures under its economic reform program, it is also putting more Jamaicans back to work. A labor force survey by the Statistical Institute of Jamaica indicated that between April 2013 and January 2014, the unemployment rate fell by about 3 percentage points.
And now stands at 13.4%, down from 16.3% in April 2013.
Business and consumer confidence for January to March 2014 have also increased to 57%, up from 45%. A number of firms have also planned to invest more in their businesses so they could take full advantage of future economic opportunities. To top that off, Jamaica received another vote of confidence from the international community, this time from the World Bank, which has approved a country partnership strategy for the country to facilitate growth and more disbursements from the institution. For the modernization of the public sector, a new debt law will be implemented, the public pension system will be reformed, and the customs administration will be improved. There are also plans to create an environment to enable private sector growth.
Activities in this aspect of our cooperation will include the fostering of investments in high potential sectors such as logistics and agriculture, helping to improve the business climate by reducing the time needed for an entrepreneur to register a new business, obtain construction permits, and pay taxes.
Under the third support area from the World Bank, social protection programs will be strengthened and the comprehensive framework for disaster and climate change risk management will be finalized. Meanwhile, there is also a plan to deal with arrears in the public sector. One of the measures includes a cap on 90-day arrears as at March 2013.
We are making also direct payments through the Central Treasury Management System to suppliers of goods and services, thereby reducing the risk of the diversion of resources from ministries, departments, and agencies.
All statutory deductions from ministries, departments, and agencies, as well as educational institutions and health authorities, will be transferred directly to Tax Administration Jamaica. In addition, the National Health Fund will take over all public sector pharmacies by the end of 2015.
The value of the assets in the pharmacies at the point of takeover will be used to set off existing arrears for drugs and medical supplies to the NHF.
The government of Jamaica is on a mission, pursuing a number of measures, staying the course, and transforming the Jamaican economy.